Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This XL Weekly Pill Organizer is your no-stress solution for managing meds, vitamins, and supplements. With AM and PM compartments and one-side large openings, it's super easy to load and grab pills, no more fumbling around. Designed with black privacy protection, it keeps your health routine discreet while holding everything from medication to fish oils. Whether at home or on the go, this 7-day organizer keeps you sorted and on track, so you can focus on feeling your best every day. This Ultra Mattress Vacuum is a total game-changer for your bed. Packing a massive suction, a powerful brush roll, and UVC light, it dives deep to zap dust mites, allergens, and bacteria you can't even see. With a HEPA filter and smart heating tech, it leaves your mattress fresh, clean, and oh so inviting. At 600 W of pure cleaning muscle, this corded beast makes sure your bed isn't just comfy, it's ultra-hygienic. Sleep tight, sneeze-free. This Zip Trifold Projector proves that big screen magic can fit in your pocket. With zero-lag focus and one-click screen mirroring, it's ready to go whenever you are. No stress, no fuss. The full-screen mode and Type-C fast charging keep your movie marathons running smooth, while the 5000 mAh battery powers hours of indoor or outdoor fun. Whether it's movie night, gaming, or an epic presentation, this sleek gray mini projector delivers bold visuals anywhere you want. This medical adjustable overbed table rolls in to make life a whole lot easier. Whether you're recovering at home or using it in a hospital, its smooth rolling wheels and adjustable height bring meals, laptops, or books right to your side. Built with durability and ease in mind, it slides neatly over beds or chairs, turning any space into a comfy workstation or snack zone. It's practical, it's sturdy, and it's ready to roll literally. This is the leak-proof travel soap case you didn't know you needed. Whether you're jet-setting, camping, hitting the gym, or just living your best on-the-go life, this portable soap container keeps your bar soap dry, clean, and ready. The smart draining layer prevents that soggy soap mess, the one we all dread. Plus, it's shatter-proof, so no more cracked cases or ruined bags. With a sleek gray design, it's the perfect combo of style and function. Keep it fresh, keep it together, wherever life takes you. This two-piece soap pouch set turns your regular bar soap into a luxurious spa experience. With 2 levels of roughness, you get both gentle lathering and premium exfoliation, leaving your skin silky smooth and refreshed. These soap saver pockets help extend the life of your soap, cutting down on waste while giving you a satisfying scrub. Whether you're chasing a soft glow or a deep clean, these body scrubber sponges have your back literally. This book lamp is the perfect gift for any book lover. With 5 vibrant colors and a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery, it's more than just a light, it's a statement piece. The foldable paper design transforms into a unique book shape, complete with an embossed cover, making it the ultimate bookish decor. Whether it's a gift for a friend, a unique birthday surprise, or just a cozy addition to your reading nook, this lamp blends functionality with personality. Light up your space and your heart. This toilet brush and holder set is here to transform your bathroom game. With a flexible brush head and silicone bristles, it reaches every curve of the toilet bowl without scratching goodbye, grime. Its compact design slips neatly into tight spaces, while the ventilation slots in the base keep things dry and hygienic. Sleek in silver, it's not just a cleaning tool, it's a modern bathroom essential that works hard and looks good doing it. This heavy-duty double-sided carpet tape is your secret weapon against sliding rugs and curling corners. At 2 inches wide and 40 yards long, it grips like a champ on wood, tile, or any floor, all without leaving a sticky mess behind. Perfect for rugs, runners, or even DIY projects, this residue-free, non-slip tape keeps your home safe and stylish. It's multi-purpose, mega strong, and seriously hassle-free because your floors deserve the VIP treatment. This sleeper chair isn't just a chair, it's your living room's new MVP. With an upgraded design, it transforms from a cozy chair to a lounge, a pull-out single bed, or even a chaise for kicking back in style. At 84 inches extra long, it's perfect for adults, guests, or a sneaky nap between Zoom calls. Its dark gray finish adds a modern vibe, making it a game changer for small spaces, apartments, or anyone craving function with flair. This cigar lighter triple jet flame torch brings the heat literally. With 3 powerful jets, you get a fast, even light every time, whether you're sparking up a cigar or firing up the grill. It's refillable with butane, built to last, and comes with a handy cigar punch right on board. And with 2 in the pack, you've got one for home and one for the road. Wrapped in sleek charcoal, this lighter's not just functional, it's pure cool in your pocket. This reusable aluminum foil seals kit lets you hack your Nespresso Virtuo line like a total pro. Simply refill your used capsules, pop on one of these precision-fit seals, and boom, you're brewing your favorite coffee blends without the waste. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and barista-approved, giving you endless possibilities in every cup. Say goodbye to limits and hello to custom brews, all while keeping things sustainable and smart. This King Mattress Pad is here to elevate your sleep game. With its pillow-top cooling technology and soft quilted design, it provides instant relief for back and hip pain, making every night feel like a stay at a luxury hotel. The deep pockets fit snugly over your mattress, while the washable cover keeps it fresh and hassle-free. Whether you're after comfort, support, or just a better night's sleep, this gray mattress topper's got you covered literally. This air purifier is your ticket to fresh, clean air in rooms up to 743 square feet. Equipped with a HEPA pure air filter, it captures allergens, dust, and pet dander, while the UVC light helps eliminate bacteria and viruses. The built-in air quality monitor keeps you in the know, ensuring your space stays perfectly purified. Its sleek 22-inch black tower design blends seamlessly into any room, turning your home into a haven of clean air and relaxation. This water filter pitcher is your go-to for crisp, clean drinking water every time. It tackles the heavy hitters: lead, chlorine, and even microplastics, so you can sip with total peace of mind. With a 10-cup capacity and a long-lasting 120-gallon filter life, it keeps you hydrated and eco-friendly without constant replacements. The filter media is made right here in the USA. Pure water, pure vibes straight from your fridge. This is more than just an alarm clock, it's your all-in-one sleep sidekick. With a sunrise light that gently wakes you, a soothing sound machine, and a smart light you can control, it helps craft the perfect screen-free sleep routine. From calming white noise at night to an energizing glow in the morning, it's designed to upgrade your rest and reset your day. Say goodbye to harsh alarms and hello to waking up like a wellness influencer. This coffee maker brings pro-level pour-over magic right to your kitchen. With one-touch brewing, an auto-pause feature, and a stainless steel double-wall thermal carafe, it's all about that hot, flavorful coffee that stays warm for hours. Plus, it's SCA certified, so you know you're sipping the good stuff. Oh, and clean up. It's dishwasher safe. Upgrade your mornings and flex your inner barista without breaking a sweat. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.